Welcome back viewers. In today's video, we are going to check out ROX-IceWM Window Manager. So what is ROX-IceWM Window Manager? How it is different from the ICE Window Manager that we have seen earlier in the AntiX video playlist. So we are going to take a look. So you have to first input your password and enter into the ROX-IceWM session. Once you are entered, you have to do the display scaling because display scaling doesn't work in virtual machine quite properly. You will have to do it yourself only. Go to session and here you have to set the screen resolution. That's done. Now the issue comes here. This we can see here the conky is displayed somewhat in the middle, but we cannot help because what will happen is if I try to log out and or if I lock the screen and again do it, the conky will still be here only. I tried it couple of times before starting the recording. So the conky is not moving here and you can see the overlap between two wallpapers here. So there is issue with the graphics. I cannot solve it because in virtual machine this is happening. I tried 2-3 times. I tried to lock the screen and then unlock the screen. I tried to log out, but after the display resolution is done, this wallpaper looks like this only, and the conky remains somewhat in middle of the screen at the top. So we forget that. Now the ROX-IceWM contains very light applications. It is a group of light applications called ROX, and the IceWM window manager will not contain the ROX applications as default, but here in ROX-IceWM window manager session, the ROX group of applications is there. So I will just show you. You have to go to the applications view. You can open the terminal. In the terminal, if you type ROX and input it, it will open the file manager. So this is nothing but a file manager. You can see here. You can go from here to any partition of your system. You can see here it shows the permissions also for the different folders, user folders. Here you can go to the top of the hierarchy. You can add bookmarks for each of the folder. If you want some routinely used folders, you can bookmark them and those will appear at the top here. You can also sort the folders ascending descending wise. So it is a very light application for file management. Now further, if you go here in the system, you can see ROX filer as root and the ROX terminal. So these are the additional applications that is available in the ROX-IceWM. Otherwise this ROX-IceWM is same as the IceWM window manager. There is nothing extra except this ROX filer and the ROX terminal. So this is the only additional things that have been included here. So we will test both. So ROX filer, you can see we have tested the ROX filer. This was it. So this is a file manager, very light file manager. Then next is the ROX filer as a root. So you can use this as a root. You have to input your password here, good password, and you got a root access to the different system folders as well as the user folders. Show extra details, left show. You can here you can see the hidden files. You can hide the files also. These are the hidden files on my system. Then you can select all, deselect all. Then I think how to go upwards. That what is the question mark? Okay, so we are running as a root. It is showing us, and it opens up the HTML manual for the ROX file manager. Here you can access that. It is written in English, French, and the Italian languages. So 3 languages is available here. Anything else is there? Yes. So you go upwards in the file hierarchy. You can see here, this is the system root partition or the system partition. You can access all of them. You can see this is the etc folder. You can go to the home that we were already there. Very light, and it responds very fast to the user commands. You can see here how much fast we are there. Where is the wallpaper? So I think backgrounds will be there instead of wallpaper. It is not available here. Yes, wallpaper is there. So these are the wallpapers for the AntiX leaders distribution, and these are the wallpapers for the grub also. Okay, so you got a good idea how this works. Very light and very useful, and it will not hog system resources. I will just show you the memory management, how much memory is being used and everything. Let us see. Where is the stop? Where is stop? Stop. Yes. You can see with this ROX file manager running, just 300 MB. You can see it here. Just yes. Now I will have to go back. Just let me. Yes. Now it is visible. 316 MB only is used. And what is the ROX terminal is using? Let me see. Okay, virtual memory 370 MB only. Root, okay. Okay, so totally just under 300 MB is being used. Okay, so this is showing different process running in the system. So it is very light desktop or a window manager. Now let us go over and change over to the ROX terminal. I will show you the ROX terminal. So this is the ROX terminal. This is also very light. If you enter ROX, it will start the ROX file manager. And what is the other application that we see on the ROX? ROX filer as root. Okay, this is only the two applications available as ROX or the ROX group of applications. The rest you can see everything is same. We will just go through the different applications available here. Just we will close this. So here you can see in applications, you got add menu item, Android device, USB connect, AntiX updater, AntiX user manager, AntiX Wi-Fi switch, AntiX workspace manager, backlit brightness, change root, rescue scan, command line apt based package manager, command line control center, date and time, edit AntiX startup file, format USB, IceWM manager, IceWM remember settings, IceWM toolbar icon manager, ISO snapshot, live USB kernel updater, live USB maker, login manager, personal menu, program remover, program remove, menu item, user manual, yard color. In accessories, archive manager, calculator, cherry tree, clip it, enable disable piper audio server, finder, fire gel, leaf pad, midnight commander editor. Other desktop, RxVT, color, Unicode terminal, toggle visual effects with the X composite manager, composer, Vim, XF1, ZZ, FM files. So this is part of the ZZZ IceWM. So we will see in the next video. And in the games, you can see DOSBox and Mahjong are there. Graphics, you got document scanner, GTCam, digital camera browser, LibreOffice Draw, Mirage. This is empty pen graphic editor, screenshot. In internet section, you can see AntiX Cloud is there. Seni, Closemail, connect shares, configuration, Conman UI setup, disconnect shares, Drupal, Firefox ESR, that is the extended stability release, GFTP. So this is the FTP client, Genome PPP. Then HexChat links to Sakis 3G, search bar, shared folders, transmission, that is the universal firewall, WPA GUI. This is for the wireless connections or a wireless manager. Then in multimedia, you got ALSA mixer, equalizer, AntiX acoustic colors, AntiX radio, AntiX TV, Asunder CD Ripper, Calf plugin pack for jack, celluloid, easy effects, GUVC view, then MPV media player, pulse audio volume control, sound card chooser, stream tuner, Win FF, XMMS, YouTube video player. In Office, you got the LibreOffice suite. In preferences, you can configure the add block, add keys, add menu items, ADSL PPOE configuration, alternatives configurator, RARN, that is the display settings, display resolution settings, Bluetooth manager, configure auto mount, Conman UI setup, customize look and feel, menu manager, onboard settings, pointing device, print settings, pulse audio volume control, QT settings, remove menu items, screen light set, font DPI, synaptic package manager. Then you got the system keyboard, user language, wallpapers. In programming, you got the Guinea editor, Meld and Vim Tiny. In system, you can see here, you can use the app selector, boot repair, choose startup services, control center, dev installer, disk manager, fire tools, gparted, grsync, stop, lucky backup as a super user, midnight commander, modem manager GUI, mountbox, network assistant, NVIDIA driver installer, package installer, PC information, repo manager, root terminal, ROX filer that we have seen, ROX filer as root also we have seen, ROX terminal we have seen, task manager. So here you can see the task manager. What happened? Okay. So here you can see 259 MB only is used out of the 4 GB allocated. So that's very light. Then you got the trash can and the ZZFM file manager. In user access, you got Magnus and onboard keyboard. So most of the applications are as same as what you get in the standard IceWM window manager. Only the ROX applications are extra. And some of the applications we have not seen, so that we will check it out. For example, in system, we have not seen fire tools. We have not seen what is fire tools. GRSync also we have not seen, so that we will check out in the separate video. How the mount box works, we have not seen. That also will be a separate video. Repo manager we have not seen, that will be a separate video. And then in preferences, let me check. Menu manager we have not seen, that we will do it again. Configure auto mount, I will show a separate video. Anything else is there? Volume control, let me check. ALSA mixer, I think we will check this also. ALSA mixer, equalizer. Easy effects, I think I have done a video. I already prepared the video. I will have to check. If it is not there, I will make a separate video on easy effects. In accessories, let us check what is cherry tree we have not seen. That we will do. Then FireGel configuration wizard also, that is not done. So in the FireGel video itself, we will do the FireGel configuration. Yes, this Midnight Commander editor we have not seen. So Midnight Commander is nothing but a file manager, and this is the editor for the Midnight Commander. What is app select? Let us try this out. What is app select? Okay. So here you can search for the app. For example, ALSA mixer. It will show all the applications with the name ALSA in them. And then you can directly, I think, start from here only. Let us see. Yes, it is opening up the ALSA. I think ALSA mixer we have done. Yes, ALSA mixer we have done in an earlier video. So you can check that. I think in the sound settings, yes, IceWM or AntiX sound settings, we have done the ALSA mixer. So we are not going to do ALSA mixer again. Rest of everything what I have told, we will do a separate video, and we will now stop here, and in the next video we will check out the ZZZ IceWM window manager. See you then. Bye.